how to turn off level up notification on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off level up notification on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee app and then click these three lines in top corner and click settings. Here you will find notifications, click on it and scroll down until you find level notifications. Click on it and that's it. Here you will find that level notification, and if you want to turn it off, all you need to do is just click on it one click, and as you see, level up notification have been turned off. Now just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.